Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your TP-Link Wi-Fi device. First, let's get started with the initial setup. Begin by unboxing your new TP-Link router and connecting it to your existing modem using the provided Ethernet cable. Next, plug in the power adapter and wait for approximately 1 minute until the indicator lights on the router becomes stable. You will then need to locate the default Wi-Fi network name, also known as the SSID, and the password, which are typically printed on a label on the bottom or back of your router. Now that your TP-Link router is powered on and ready, let's connect your devices. On your smartphone, tablet, or computer, navigate to the Wi-Fi settings. You should see a list of available networks. Select the network name that matches the SSID you found on your router's label. When prompted, enter the default password precisely as it appears. After entering the password, confirm that your device successfully connects and has access to the internet. This process usually takes only a few seconds. To personalize and secure your network, you'll want to customize your Wi-Fi settings. Open a web browser on a connected device and type in your router's default IP address, often 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Log in using the default username and password, which are typically both admin. From there, you can easily change your Wi-Fi network name and create a strong, unique password. Remember to select a robust security protocol like WPA2 or WPA3 for optimal protection. Let's explore some advanced features and troubleshooting tips for your TP-Link Wi-Fi. Regularly updating your router's firmware is crucial for maintaining optimal performance and security, often taking just a few minutes. You can also set up a separate guest network, allowing visitors internet access without compromising your main network's security. For larger homes, consider adding a TP-Link range extender to boost your Wi-Fi coverage. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of your router or checking all cable connections can often resolve many common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.